alligator. And we're gonna do some math. Hey, fourth graders! I got my sweet alligator friend up here. Look how handsome Mr. Albert the alligator is. All right, Albert needs some help. Albert is redoing his house, and he has chosen a new carpet. He's actually chosen the carpet of his favorite shirt print. Wouldn't this make a beautiful carpet? Yes, Albert knows. So, Albert needs your help today. So today we're doing 13.2. We're going to be finding area. Yesterday we found the perimeter. That's everything around our shape. But the area is everything inside of our shape today, okay? So our I can use a formula to find the area. So once again, we're using a formula, but today instead of perimeter, we're trying to find the area. All right, so Albert the alligator needs to know how much carpet he needs for his new floor, right? This fabulous print. It is 5 feet long and 3 feet wide. All right. How much carpet do we need to help Albert make this? Okay, so I've already kind of drawn it out for you. So we have 5 feet this way and 3 feet this way. So if we were doing perimeter, we'd add 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3. But today we're finding the area, what's on the inside. So what I've shown you with these carpet tiles, each of them is a foot. So we have 5 this long ways and 3 this way, okay? We need to figure out the area total. So what we could do is we could add them all up. We could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And so we could see that Albert needs 15 feet of carpet, which is absolutely right. But, yeah, so anytime you could draw out your picture, you could do 5 one way, 3 this way, and then make a beautiful grid, like we've done here. Let me move you a little bit closer, friends. I didn't drop it today, that's fabulous. You could do this beautiful grid, or we could take our side and times it by our other side. 5 times 3 is 15. So when we're doing area, perimeter we're adding, but area we're timesing. I guess perimeter you still times if you do the formula. Okay, so you're just timesing your 2 side numbers. Super simple. Let's do some examples. And then maybe we can figure out what the actual formula is. All right. Example number 1. If we have a shape, we're going to do a long rectangle, and it's 8 inches by 3 inches. So there's 2 ways we could do this. We could draw in all the boxes. So we know we have 3 longs. So we'll do 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and then we have 8 up top. So we'd have to divide this into 8 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we could count them all, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And we'd get 24 inches, which would be correct for the area. Or we could do our trick we saw the other day. We could do 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. So if our area, how could we figure out the formula? We have this side times this side, right? So we could say length times width equals our area. Another way to say length and width is base times height equals area. This is the base, this is the height. It's the same thing. So you might hear length times width or base times height. But all we're doing is taking the 2 sides and timesing them by each other. Let's try another example. All right, example number 2. If we have 6 feet and the side is 2 feet, without drawing our pictures, how could we figure out the area? Well, we just learned it's length times width or base times height. So let's plug it in. We have 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Put in our unit, feet. That's it. We're just taking the 2 sides and timesing them together. Fabulous. Okay, hopefully that's not too hard. All right, let's do one more and then I'll give you some harder ones, okay? All right, example number 3, and then I'm gonna set you loose on your pause problems. Don't get too wild, like my alligator. Okay, Last one. Okay, if this was a square and this was 4 inches, and it asked you to find the area, what would you do? Well, you know a square, everything is the same. So 4, 4, 4, right? So we would just take our two sides, 4 times 4, and get 16 inches. Perfect. See, base times height, length times width, whatever you want to call it. Those are the formulas, and it works. All right. Pause problem number 1. We'll start easy and get harder. If this is 12 inches and this is 8 inches, what is the area of this rectangle? Go. All right, I know that it's length times width or base times height. I just need to do 12 times 8. Hopefully you know that 12 times 8 is 96. And we put in our inches. So this, the area of this shape is 96 inches. Awesome. Okay. All right, pause problem number 2. I'm gonna make it a little harder. All right, this is 8 feet, and this is 14 feet. Find me the area, okay? Pause it and give it a try. I'm gonna keep going. All right, I just know it's base times height or length times width, 14 times 8. I actually have to do this one. I don't know this one off the top of my head. 4 times 8 is 24. Carry the 2. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So this would be 104 feet. All right. Thanks for helping out, Albert. It's good to see you. Have a fabulous day. Wow, this is our fastest math video yet. 7 minutes, you lucky ducks. See you later. Wait. See you later, alligator and wild crocodile.